first time, adoptees in New York State can apply for their original birth certificates.
New York is now the 10th state to grant adoptees the right to know their record of birth. CBS2's Carolyn Gussoff is live in New Hyde Park with more on this story. Carolyn.
Good afternoon. This has been a very long fight for adopted New Yorkers, decades actually. And as of today, birth records can be unsealed for anyone over 18 years old who wants to see their original birth certificate. The end of secrecy and the beginning, say advocates, of a basic human right.
I'm excited about anything that I can find out.
Megan Kettenberg, among the first to apply for her original birth certificate. Adopted at 2 weeks old, her birth parents' identities shrouded in secrecy.
Anger, because you want to know what your health characteristics are. You want to know where you got your eye color, where you got your height, your weight, everything, you know. Genealogy.
She recently found her birth father's identity through a DNA website, a deceased police officer with 5 children.
It's amazing to finally find out after 59 years of all the questions.
But she longs to know the identity of her birth mother, a matter of health and genetic history.
The New York State Legislature took the position that it's more important for somebody to know their medical history and self-identifying history, just like anybody else.
Since the 1930s, states have shielded birth parents, adoption agencies promising lifelong confidentiality. Opponents believed it protected birth parents' privacy and adoptive families from unwanted contact later in the child's life. It took a court order to obtain information nearly impossible to unseal. Now it's as simple as an online application.
There's an online platform for people to file an application. They can also file the application by mail.
You could also file in person, but birth certificates will not be issued while you wait. The process could take up to 4 months. It's hard to estimate how many of these births they are, but they date back to 1938. There could be hundreds of thousands in New York State. In New Hyde Park, Long Island, Carolyn Gussoff, CBS 2 News.